Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Mailchimp with Canva for branded email creatives, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Mailchimp website. Log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns section from the main dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button to start a new project. Choose email as the campaign type. Give your campaign a name that reflects its purpose. Scroll down and click on Design Email to access the email builder. In the email builder, you will see a variety of design options. To integrate Canva, locate the Content section on the left sidebar. Drag and drop a text or image block into your email template. In the image block, click on the Add Image button. Select the Import from URL option from the Upload menu. Open a new tab and go to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, create a new design suited for email, like a newsletter or promotional graphic. Use Canva's tools to customize your design with your brand elements such as colors, fonts, and images. Once your design is complete, click on the Share button in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Copy Link to get the shareable link to your design. Return to the Mailchimp tab and paste the Canva link in the URL field of the image block. Click Insert to add the image to your email template. Adjust the size and placement of the image as needed within your email. Continue to customize your email by adding relevant text and other design elements. Once your email design is complete, review it for any errors or adjustments. When satisfied with your email preview, click Continue to finish setting up your campaign. Follow the prompts to finalize your email settings, including audience selection and scheduling. Finally, click the Send or Schedule button to deliver your branded email creative to your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.